This is the last video on saving for retirement. In this video, we will put together a plan and use what we have learned to think about how to save for retirement. So first of all, of course, you will need a full-time job before you can earn money and save for retirement. You remember that you want to start saving early. Now, hopefully, if you work in, say, the public sector, you get paid a pension. If you work for companies, you have options like company matching a 401k account. Remember, with pensions are simpler. You pay every month from your paycheck. Your employer also helps you. And after you retire, you just get paid every month a certain amount of money, as stated in your pension plan. That's it. You don't have that much control over it. With private companies that offer 401k accounts, company-sponsored 401k accounts, ideally what happens is the company offers matching. That's very important. That will be the reason why you really want to contribute into 401k account. You also save on taxes, but that's not as significant. So the company matches your contributions. So for example, maybe for every dollar, maybe if you put in $100 in the 401k account, that's basically an account with your money that grows over time. If you put $100 in that account, your company will also put $100 into that account. So that's an important benefit to your salary. It's basically like part of your salary. So the main reason why you want to do 401k is if the company offers to match your contribution. So the pension and the 401k, that will be two main ways to save for retirement. Meanwhile, for everyone that makes less than the limit, which for now is $137,000, is you want to put your money in a Roth IRA account. So again, if you don't make more than $137,000, then you can put some money into the account. This past season, the contribution limit was $6,000. You can't put more than $6,000 in this account. Why do it? No taxes when you withdraw money from their account when you retire. Withdraw means you're taking money out. So you put money in your account, and when you retire, you don't have to pay taxes on your Roth IRA. So that saves money. Now, IRAs, 401ks, those are all bank accounts. They're just there to keep track of your money. It's not like a pension where somebody else invests the money for you. So you have to decide how to invest that money. If you just put your money in an account, not much will happen. If it's $1,000, it will stay around $1,000. You'll get almost no interest. So that's why you'll want to make investments. Investments are, you spend your money to help earn more money, to help your money grow. Different types of investments that we have talked about. Riskier investments include stocks. Stocks are usually the riskiest, especially if you buy only a few stocks, because if the company does poorly, you can lose a lot of money. On the other end, we have the safest. So mutual funds are usually less risky than stocks because you're pulling money with other people and you're buying many stocks at a time. So if one company goes down, you're still okay. Of course, mutual funds can still lose money if the entire economy tanks, like right now. So mutual funds are less risky than stocks, but you can still lose money. Other forms of investment we've talked about, much safer. Certificates of deposits that we've talked about. That's you give your bank some money now, the bank gives you a little more later. It's very safe because even if the bank goes down, the federal government insures the first, I think, $250,000 of it. And then finally, just money in the account. You get almost no interest, but you can take it out at any time, whereas with certificates of deposit, your money is stuck. If you're in trouble, you can't really take it out without paying a large penalty. So money in your bank account is the most flexible, but you earn almost no interest for it. In general, the riskier the investment, so riskier investments, they can earn higher rates of interest. You make more money. So the more risk you take, the more money you can make. Riskier, so stocks can make more money than mutual funds, which can definitely make more money than certificates of deposit, which makes more money than putting your money in a bank account. But you're taking more risks. So that's why, for example, I like to buy mutual funds that are indexed by age. The idea is that you tell them what year you think you retire, and when you're young, the mutual fund will put money in riskier investments, and as you get older, they will transfer more and more of your money into less risky investments that return less money over time. There are other investments, but these are common ones. Of course, real estate is another form of investment, and so forth. But overall, the most important rule really for investing your money is you want to start saving early. The earlier you save, the more money you'll end up at the end. That's basically it. One thing I forgot to mention is with stocks. Some stocks pay dividends. Usually energy companies tend to pay dividends. That means that stock, the value of the stock won't grow as quickly, but it will pay you some money every month. So that's another way for you to earn money through stocks. So that's it. If you have any questions about saving for retirement, definitely contact me, or there's a question on your homework assignment asking you for any questions.